Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we just got like a Birchbox. So yeah, this has just come through the post, so I thought, well, I'll run upstairs and do my unboxing and show you it. Now Birchbox is £10 a month and you pay £2.95 postage and packaging. They do like a 3-month one, a 6-month one and a yearly one. You can cancel it at any time, so you're not committed to it, and so it's a safe subscription box. If you just want to buy it for 1 month, you can do, or if you want to try it for over a 3-month period, you can do, and it's just fantastic for that. So with Birchbox, you usually get 5 products. Some of them are samples, and yeah, so that is what you normally get. So right, let's get into it. And I think that this month's box is going to be the birthday box, I'm sure of it, and you had a choice of which lipstick you wanted to choose, because I know that there is a lipstick in here. We do have that, and I'm sure I chose, oops, my phone went off. Sure, I chose the Gala one, which is the red one. I hope I'm not really bothered what colour I got, because I like the mauve one, the plum one, and I also like the Gala one, so I was like, I really wasn't bothered. Right, so I think that this month in collaboration with Paper Chase, yes they did. And it is a really nice box, just look at that box, and I do like the drawer design. They've gone back to that. I prefer glossy, not glossy box, Birchbox drawer. Right, okay, I get so confused with these boxes, I get so many of them, it's so confusing. So it does say on the Birchbox Paper Chase one, it says, and so the adventure begins. Right, it does, because this is it. This is the June box. Right, okay, let's just open it a bit like that. Right, so let's just put that there. Right, so there it is. Now then we're just going to have a look at this. I will put them down on there. Right, so it said, this is the life. You got like a leaflet saying, this is the life. Right, so that's going to go on about what the products is in here. So we have a July sneak peek. If you don't want to see it, look away now. So this is the July sneak peek. It's a face mask, and it's a what is it? It's not Look Incredible. It's Incredible sheet mask, and there you go. Can you see that? So it is Incredible sheet mask, unicorn or flower power, right? So it's Incredible ones. I think I've used one of these before, and I think it was amazing. I'm sure that I've had one of those once before in a glossy box or Birchbox. One of them has done those before, and I remember it being like a gold one, and I'm sure it's been done by that company, and their face mask was amazing. I remember it. Right, okay, so now let's just get on with the box. Hi, I'm sorry I made a mistake. I forgot to tell you about the 20% off that you have with Paper Chase, and it's just 20% off. Use the code BIRCH10467 to show this ticket in one of our stores, or use your code online for 20% off. Terms and conditions apply. For full terms and conditions, please see paperchase.com. After offer expires midnight the 31st of the 7th 19, and you have the 20% off for your friend as well. Use code BIRCH25963. Just show this ticket one of our stores, or use your code online. 20% off. And yeah, so terms and conditions apply. Full terms and conditions, please visit paperchase.com. Offer expires midnight 31st of the 7th 19. So it's like you can have it for yourself or for your friend or whatever, and it just says, hello there, we're Paper Chase, a British stationery, cards and gift brand with stores all over the UK and even some across the seas. big fans of bright colours and bold patterns, we design for all stationery lovers. From marble print ring binders for the filing freaks to dotted page notebooks for the journaling junkies. We love bringing you fresh ideas every day and have been dreaming of the designing of our products in London since 1968. And also I do have a code for Birchbox, so please check in the down below area because that's where you can get all my codes from. And yeah, and also I'll put timestamps on as well, so you can fast forward to whatever you want. Right, okay, because I can waffle on for hours. Yeah. Right, so let's pick out the first item. Oh, what is this? I've got the Crowline and I have lost my paper. Oh, it's just here. So I got, you can tell that's a sample size, can't you? What it is this is the Crowline shampoo, isn't it? No, it's an anti-pollution. Yes, it is a shampoo. It is an anti-pollution shampoo. So there we go. Never heard of an anti-pollution shampoo. Is it going to focus? Is it going to focus? Let's see if I take my face. Wait. Focus. Right, so this is the anti-pollution shampoo. I'll just hold it up, I'll read it to you. So it's made with aquatic mint. This purifying shampoo detoxes and protects and locks luster strands. The non-stripping formula is full of botanicals that remove build-up from pollution, cool and comfort your scalp, leaving your locks healthy, shiny and balanced. Use it in place of your usual shampoo. Rinse and follow with conditioner. Guess what? Chlorine's hair care solution use pure plant extracts. No wonder it's the #1 hair brand in Europe. Oh, sorry, out of focus there. Right, okay, so the RRP price for that is £6. I'm sure we got a sample. It doesn't say sample, but I'm sure that's not full sized. Right, okay. So, oh, I see. The one that's got the little grey dot is the full sized item. So in this box we've got one full sized item, and we have a yellow one which has got a 4-star review, and we've got a pink one which is the full-sized item as well. So this is definitely a sample. Right, okay, so we got that. Then the next item, oh, I saw these on Facebook. They were actually free. So, and that's what I saw. Yeah. You could actually, on Facebook, you could actually email Rituals, and they were giving these out for free. So maybe, I don't know, if Birchbox has got onto them and got free ones for our box. So I don't know, but it is the Rituals of Karma body cream. The body cream is the ultimate multitasker, rejuvenating both body and mind, combining the irresistible aroma of lotus flower with pampering organic white tea. Nourishing formula sinks in quickly to hydrate your skin and calm the senses. Massage into clean skin daily for super soft limbs. So it says, according to Hindu belief, good intent attracts good karma. So think good thoughts, so good deeds, and keep it positive. Right, okay. We didn't have a look at this, did we? So we'll have a little look at this as well. Right, so this is supposed to smell like... Does it? I don't know what it's supposed to smell like. Oh, I can smell mint. Oh, it's really, really a strong, nice scent of mint. If you like mint, that's perfect. If you don't like mint, that's not perfect. Right. Okay, so let's just have a look at this. Right, so it just comes like that. There we go, can you see that? Oh, that has a really nice scent to it. It's like a clean aftershave scent. That's what I'm guessing with that. If you like the scent of aftershave, well, I do. Is that a bit weird that I'm a woman and I love the smell of aftershave, but I won't put it on? No, no. My partner wears it, but I love the smell. The smell of aftershave. It's like, oh, gorgeous. But that is really, really nice. I do like it. The Rituals Calmer. Good. It really hydrates your skin beautifully, and I'm so pleased I got it in this month's box. But we got another item, and this one is it looks like the eye masks I got. So this is Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So what does it say about this one? So Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. The RRP price is £20 for this one. The RRP price for this one is £18.50. I forgot to tell you that, but I just showed you it now. So that's it. So we're going to know about this one. It says send your under eye bags packing with these hydrating, depuffing and brightening eye masks. Well, I definitely need that because on a morning my eye bags is really, they're like really big. So yeah, I do need those, and they'd be perfect for me in the morning because I like an eye masky thing on in the morning. So they have 3 layers and they prevent the evaporation ingredients, keep the masks firmly on and deliver key oils, making the triad all you need after a late night. Place under your eyes and relax for 10 minutes before removing. Oh wow, that sounds interesting, doesn't it? Like, yeah, if you just got like 10 minutes to spare in the morning. My mornings are chaotic. I have my son to get to college, my other son to get to college, and they just don't want to go to college, and my mornings is like chaos. So maybe, yeah, be nice to have 10 minutes in the morning. Well, we'll see if that happens. Maybe it's on Saturday mornings when I get my lie-in, because I love a weekend. And so that is that. Right. So then the next item is the item I've really been wanting. This is, I'm sure we've got another item. Yeah, these are them. Right, so this is the item, one of the other items that I wanted. So this is the Give Me Brow, and that is definitely a sample. It's a teeny weeny sample. So this is, it says, just a few strokes of this magical brush gives you fuller brows that stay in place all day but still look natural, thanks to the water resistant microfibers that adhere to the skin and hair, creating fullness and definition. Beginning at the start of your brow and moving outward, use small upward strokes to define and shape. The tiny tapered brush makes mess-proof application easy. Wow, Give Me Brow, #1 selling prestige eyebrow product in the UK. So there we go. Right, so let's have a little look at this. So Give Me Brows benefit. Right, I've had one of these before. I'm sure they were all go about a year ago. I know that they are super expensive as well, so they dear. Right, so there we go. There's the wand, and you see it. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but it is there. Yeah, you can. Right, okay, so I'm super looking forward to using that. Is that in the shade? What shade is it in? I'm sure it's going to say natural light brown. Oh, I'm not light brown, I'm dark brown. Oh wow, I will have to give that away to one of my friends or something like that. And okay, so then the next item is this one, which is the La Rizzi lipstick. You could either have plum or gala. This clever pencil gives you an easy way to achieve perfectly defined lips. The secret is a lip liner and lipstick in one. Use the tip to line, then fill with the buildable colour, taking out the heavy feel of traditional lipstick. The creamy formula is lightweight and hydrating with a gorgeous satin finish. Oh, right, let's have a look at this one then. So mine is in the colour Gala, and I really wasn't bothered which colour I got, but I sometimes like a gutsy red. I don't know, I just like a red colour for some unknown reason. But is this going to be the red colour that I want? Oh wow, look at that. Give you like a little, there we go, there it is. Right, so I'm just going to zoom you in. If this will zoom in and focus. Probably come a bit closer to the camera, and I'm just gonna focus. Right, okay, so we will try this out. So the tip is the liner. So I'm just going to do the outline of it first. Sorry, this is taking ages. Right, so now I'm just going to fill it in. I like that colour, I do like it. It's really, really a good colour. Right, so zoom you back out. Or zoom you in, you can see the colour. Right, okay, so I do like that. Right, so that one is £20, full sized it is. Right, okay, so that seems to be the end of my box. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next unboxing. Bye!